Hey everyone, today I am here with the recipe of cheesecake but without using oven and no need to bake. So come, let's cook. First, in a bowl, add the powder of biscuit, that is, take about 10 to 15 number of arrowroot biscuit and make fine powder of it. You can take any biscuit of your choice and then add some melted butter. Add the melted butter in such a quantity that it should give moist to the powder of the biscuit. And just set the base and keep it in the refrigerator about 10 to 15 minutes. Next we are going to make the second base, that is with paneer cubes. Here I have taken about 10 paneer cubes and add some condensed milk to it. You can adjust the quantity of condensed milk according to the sweetness you want and make a fine paste of it. If you feel the paste is very thick, you can just dilute it with some milk and just pour it on the top and spread it all over the top. This is the second base of the cake, and then keep it in the refrigerator about half to 1 hour. Or if you want to have it suddenly, then you can keep it in the freezer also for about half hour. So the base is ready. Next we are going to pour the third base, that is melted chocolate. So you can use any chocolate syrup or melted chocolate. If you are using melted chocolate, then just dilute it with some milk. Pour all the chocolate all over it and spread it. This is the third base. Just spread it all over the cake. Here the third base is ready, and just sprinkle some cocoa powder. This is optional, and if you want to, then you can use Boost or Bonvita also to just sprinkle on the top of this. And last we are going to add some crushed dry fruits. And then keep it in the refrigerator about 1 to 2 hours. And then after that, take out the cake and have it. This is very easy to make and very super soft.